what brought you to Paititi?
On a practical term, it was like Google search of my two occupations. At that time it was connecting permaculture and shamanism, and Paititi was the first website that Google offered me when typing permaculture shamanism in.
And what were you looking for when you came to Paititi?
Actually, I didn't really know what I'm looking for. As it turns out that I imagined that I know now.
And what was that?
Like the whole experience, it has been like giving birth, giving life to my deepest desires, to my deepest visions, which I kind of know that they existed, but was a place of a fairy tale for me. But coming to this place, amazing place in nature, and surrounded with beautiful people who support all of these visions, I kind of can say that these visions start coming true for me.
Can you share maybe a little bit about those visions or wishes?
Yeah, sure. It's like the main they are like the main visions of Paititi, like based on consciousness transformation work, which for me is searching for liberation, for freedom, and based on ancient traditions, so use of them, and also taking care of Mother Earth, which is in scientific terms for me supported by a system named permaculture.
And you came to be on the service team for the Embody True Nature retreat. How did you find it being of service?
Excellent. It's like giving a practice or integrating all the tools, visions that are shared here immediately into a practice. So it kind of makes the period when I'm going back home easier for me to integrate those into everyday living. I hope so.
Were there any challenges that you found during the Embody True Nature retreat in these 7 weeks?
Sure. I mean, the challenges were the part of the process, and I must say that seeing them as or how the way I dealt with them is like using the permaculture principle, the problem is the solution. So trying to see underneath or bigger picture of every challenge and what I can learn from them, and that really helped me.
Did you find the results worth going through the challenges?
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you see yourself applying these practices and lessons when you return home?
On a practical level, it's like using the tools that I was somehow already applying in my life, and some of the tools that I become more familiar with here in my everyday life. So, but what is like the main takeaway message is finding that point of reference inside of me, so that point that I can always return regarding the challenge that I know will also happen in my life when I come back, but having this reference point of what is possible and knowing that it's inside me, I hope that's the biggest message that I could take with me.
You mentioned about the tools and practices that we use here at Paititi. Were there any ones that you found that were more beneficial for you or that you really resonated with?
Yeah, so far, if I need to name, I would say Qigong session. It's like the mixture of everything, and it just worked out for me. and also seeing development from my first Qigong session to my last, and really seeing what it is all about, and then seeing the results during everyday life here in Paititi. So I would say Qigong for me.
Is there anything you would like to share to somebody who might want to be on a service team for an Embodied True Nature retreat in the future?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I would say everybody who is thinking about how to spread and share this message in the world, this is a good opportunity to practice while going through your own process. So if you like to be engaged and to really experience what is it all about, come and be in service, to see what does it mean to be in service.